Hi, welcome to V's Right House Kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken corn soup, 鸡茸粟米羹. Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. Slice the chicken into strips, then cut them into tiny pieces. Mix with cornstarch, soy sauce, and a little water to tenderize the meat. I'm using fresh sweet corn today, cutting the kernels straight off the cob. Canned or frozen sweet corn works too. Chop about half of them roughly to release their juice. Alternatively, give them a quick chop in a food processor. It's easier and faster. Lightly beat the eggs and make a slurry with cornstarch and water. Bring the stock to a boil. Add the corn. When it simmers again, stir in the chicken, breaking up the pieces as they cook. Drizzle in the beaten eggs slowly, then add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the broth. Season with salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Ladle into bowls, top with scallions, and enjoy your comforting chicken corn soup. Hope you like it.